Another day and another hole to cut in the van. This time for a big window right here. It looks sunny. It is so cold. The temperature has dropped massively. I am wrapped up, but I just want to get it done. This is an exciting moment. It's going to let a lot more light in. I've just parked underneath a little roof, which I'm lucky to have here. Now I can do this all day, even if it's raining, which it is going to rain. I'm just going to make sure, before I do anything, that I've got the right window, because what if they sent the wrong window? Well, seems about right. So now I'm going to drill holes around the corners to kind of transfer that corner radius to outside, and do a couple along the straights as well. And then that means I can then go outside, see the corners, see the straights, join the lines, and cut from outside with the jigsaw. It's time to connect the dots, and I'm just going to use Scotch tape because there's no need to draw lines. I can draw the lines with the tape, and the tape will also protect the paintwork from the jigsaw rolling over the top of it. It's a thing of beauty. I've gone so thick because as the jigsaw turns, the back end kicks out. So I want to make sure it's covered, and especially here, I don't want it to catch the lip as it goes round. So time to cut. So clean. It's such a different vibe now, being able to see out. Awesome. My God, getting that tape off was a nightmare. I'm not sure if Scotch tape is the one, do you know? Hole looks clean. Very, very nice. Hammerite, direct to rust, metal paint in smooth white. That's the paint done. It's actually about to rain, so I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna head inside and have a cup of tea. That's the trim on, so next is the highly flammable primer, and you get this little like cotton ball on a stick. Can you fit bonded windows on vehicles in 5 degrees Celsius?
Bonded windows can be installed in temperatures as low as 5 degrees Celsius.
A nice V in the top of there to make a nice tidy bead. There we go. It's on there. Let's check on this in the morning. So putting this window in was a big milestone on the van build. That's now most of the external stuff done. Looks pretty cool. Looks like a camper. Got the aircon on, got the fan on, got the window in. If you want to see me install the aircon, check out this video here. We get to move inside now, which is pretty exciting. So subscribe if you haven't already, and follow along for more.